So for the greenhouse, we're thinking about using these old tobacco, I mean, they're greenhouses, if you all have ever seen those in tobacco. But we got this old barn. Let me show you all. Plumb full of crap, which is good and bad. It sits down by the road and it's about to fall over, but we're gonna go through here and see what we can use. We got all these hoops from the old greenhouses for tobacco beds, float beds. So we're gonna dig these out and use them. And I'm thinking about, let me know what you all think. I'm thinking about maybe making some float beds in our greenhouse. I got, God, I don't know how many's here. There's a stack of them. Of these old, I don't even know what you call them, flats for, you see it's way over my head. These old flats for tobacco plants. Let me see if I can find one here to show you. They're pretty good size, and you know, for starter plants. I'm thinking about growing a crap load of tomatoes and cucumbers and things as starters, you know, and take them to the farmer's market, you know, anywhere 2 inches to 10 inches tall, and selling them this year for you know, people that are wanting to grow stuff. So maybe a profit, you know, from I'm trying to think of different things to make profit off of the homestead.